government shall fully fund the vulnerable students who comprise 29% of students joining university. And these are 45,000 students will be funded fully by the government of Kenya. And in our TVET institutions, 42,000 students this year will equally be funded fully by the government of Kenya. Their parents will contribute nothing. The funding shall be through government scholarships and loans. For the first time, students whose households are at the bottom of the pyramid shall enjoy equal opportunity in accessing university and TVET education. Their households shall not make any contributions towards the education of their children because of their financial status. Students from less needy households joining university will receive government scholarship of up to 53% and loans from the government of up to 40%, a total of 93%. 7% will be contributed by their households. The able students from able households joining university will be funded through a government scholarship up to a maximum of 38% of the cost of the program and 55% in form of loans. Again, in this case, their households will pay only 7%.